Okay, so what we're going to do is start out with getting the holes made into the plastic film. So we're taking the blue painter's tape and going to put it on the edge of the plastic film. So you'll just tear off the edges that were left. With the painter's tape up, you're going to put it into the template, and the top part will go in with the arrows facing up. Okay. You'll hold it down and you're going to drill into these 4 holes. On the 2 outer ones, you're going to drill towards the outside and kind of give it a wiggle. Then you've got your holes made. Okay. Then for the elastic to go onto the headband, you're going to take your elastic and measure out 12 inches. Okay. And cut it at that point. On each side, you're going to wrap it around and make double knots. Take it to the other side and do the double knot around the other side of the headband. Alright, so you got the elastic on the back of the headband. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the glue and make a little bead from along the edges where the plastic film will go on. Okay. What we found was best is to go ahead and put the 2 middle ones on first. And when you put it on, the side without the painter's tape is going to go on towards the headband. Okay. Alright, once you got those 2 on, you're going to come over to the side and you're going to take your thumb or your finger and push out on that and get it over top. And you're going to come over and do the other side in the same way, just pulling it out, getting it around, and then pressing down where the glue was along the line. Okay, and then you have the headband and the shield completely assembled. Okay, for some of the headbands that ended up a little bit hairier with little strings coming off of them, before they can be assembled with the face shield part, the plastic, and the elastic band, they'll need to be sanded up. So you can just take some sandpaper and run it across. You can fold it over and to be able to get in these little spots. And you'll just continue on in this fashion until you've got everything sanded up and all the little hairs taken off.